Your AI has read the entire internet. It can tell you the history of photography, the principle of composition, the specs of every single camera ever made. It's a know-it-all. But ask it an advice on your project, and that advice is worthless. Why is that? Because AI has knowledge but not mastery. AI hasn't spent the 10,000 hours needed to learn your craft. Today we're gonna fix that. So welcome to the Augmentatism Framework. Today we are not gonna create a new prompt. What we're gonna do is to plug into the training program of the Matrix. So before we do that, let's look at the problem. I go here some notes so I won't get lost. So what's the problem? The problem is that there is a difference between a know-it-all and mastery. So what's the difference here? Let's see the AI. AI has this 1 inch thick and 1 mile wide knowledge. That is completely useless because without the depth that you need in your craft, you can't give a proper advice. So what's the fix here? The fix is what was for Neo the I know Kung Fu moment. Okay, it's uploading the curated quality data needed for AI to reason within. So to create this, we need to create a document called the Creative DNA. For creating this document, I prepared a prompt for you to use. This prompt that you give to AI, turn this AI into an interviewer. The interview will ask you for example, for the main document that you already have, probably your curriculum, your biography, your project, your business plan, or whatever. Okay, so it's gonna take this data, analyze it, and then start asking questions. The question I'm gonna ask are needed to understand your values, your journey, your projects in depth, understanding who you really are. With this knowledge now, AI is able to give you advice that are value because it can reason within the world, within your world. So there are two things that we need to be careful about this. One, it's the trap of the data dump. So the idea is that we don't dump all the data we have because it's not about giving all the information of the world. Okay, it's about curating this data and be sure that we have low noise but high quality information. Then the second trap is that this document becomes static. Static means that you keep evolving, changing, creating new project, changing the way that you work, but you're not updating this document. What's happened there, that you are going to drift away from the world where AI work within. That means AI is going to slowly become less useful, become less connected to the reality. So your work is to actually keep the document updated. It doesn't require much. You do, for example, once a month, every 3 months, whatever is your speed of evolution in creation. But that keeping that document updated is really important. So what's next now for you is I've created a companion blog post for this video. This companion blog post, you understand, I go deeper into what we've been talking today, but also there are the link to download Resonant OS toolkit. That is a way to build a custom AI, and this is completely free and open. Within that toolkit, you find the prompt needed to customize your Creative DNA. So if you stay until now, means that you're probably I've been suffering about this problem, but I wrote down a couple of questions. So the question that you should think is, if I could upload just one document to give AI a deep understanding of your life work, what would it be? So here the idea is that we need really to find the best way to be really clear. So careful to the noise to signal. Give AI the right information with the right amount, with the right depth. Not confusion, not noise. It's not about giving books about your trade. Okay, it's about giving the right amount that help AI understanding who you are. So like and subscribe and watch the other video. This is part of a series. The series is about how to build a custom AI. So today we look at the data. In the previous video we look at the system prompt that give identity to this AI. We look into the philosophy that gives AI a worldview, a way to understand the data. And then we look into the memory. So it's a way to give AI much depth, deeper memory that AI usually have. This memory is something that you need to curate and look after, and is a collection of the lesson learned through the AI, the things that you've been doing with AI. So that allow AI to create a much more detailed world where it can reason within. So all these things that we're doing is to create a partner that is, sorry, wrong word, to create a collaborator, an AI collaborator that is connected to what we do and understanding our world. This will change the quality of the work that you do with AI, and will also change the amount of work that you can do, because an AI, it's built in a way that I'm suggesting to build. It's an augmentator. It's an AI that augments your abilities. So let me know how it goes, and see you in the next video.